Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and getting a good night's sleep is so important even when you're enjoying the great outdoors. And that's why I really appreciated this Stansport fleece sleeping bag. What I love about this is, as usual, fleece is something that is going to keep you warm without it being thick and taking up too much space. I love how thin this is, how easy it is to roll up and put back in the bag that it comes in. It has the two elastic straps at the end of the sleeping bag that you can just put over on each end and keep it steady so that you can fit it in the bag with ease. I think it is just a great thing to have if you want to use it as a sleeping bag and you want to be burrito style in your sleeping bag. Or if you are wanting to use it as a blanket, you can zip it completely open and use that. And also, if you are a type of person that you want a little bit more room, you can actually get another one of these and attach them to then have a big roomy sleeping bag, or to have two people sleeping in the sleeping bag. That is such a really great feature about these. What's really nice about having these is that they're small, they're compact, and if you are having to go into cold weather camping, adding a fleece sleeping bag on the inside of that sleeping bag adds to the range. It's such an important item to have whether you are summer camping or cold weather camping. It's convenient, it's useful, and that's my point of view.